Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another AutoCAD video. As in the previous video, we have already discussed about offset command, its execution, its importance. And now in today's video, we are going to execute actually a very important command, which is match properties. In AutoCAD, if you wanted to match properties of two different objects, you can use this command from here. And now I'm going to actually, first of all, we have to draw two different kind of objects. For example, I'm just going to draw a line like I will click here and I will draw a random line like this. Now I am giving this line specific properties, like I am going to increase its weight a little bit, like 0.50 you can see, and I want to also select this line and want to change this color as green. As you can see here, the color has been turned into green, as you can see. Now I am again trying to draw a specific line like this one, and I'm not going to change its properties, and it will be in its by default condition, like that. Now if I wanted to change the properties of this line like that, I will use this match properties command. So first of all, you can do it from here as well, and the short key for this command is match prop. If you will click on match at your keyboard, as you can see, the match prop portion has been appeared, and if you click enter, now the command has been in active condition, as you can see. And now what he is asking to select your source subject. I can say this is my source subject and I want the properties of this line to be there, so I wanted this as my destination object. As you can see, if I click here and press enter, you can see the properties of this line has been transferred to there. Again, in case if I wanted to draw a polygon, like 5-sided polygon, and enter, I'm going to circumscribe like this one. Again, I'm going to draw another polygon which believe we have 5 sides, and specify inscribe like this one. Now I'm going to change its properties a little bit. For example, I will say 0.40 and color to red. Now if I want the properties of this polygon to be there, I will select this match properties command from here. I will select my source subject, and now I will select my destination. And if I press enter, as you can see, the properties of this polygon has been transferred there. So in this way you can use match properties command in AutoCAD. And that's it for today's video. Thank you.